Hello, hello, and welcome back to Oolykee Gaming, and welcome back to another episode of Project Leszcie. Right, I didn't really prepare for this one because I have several plans on what to start. We have a lot of projects that we started on. First, let's recap. In the last episode, we are moving this construction office here, but we need to build the road first and infrastructure and the construction office itself. We planned for a whole new neighborhood that would be a mechanical component factory, which is going to be built at some point. And we planned expansion. We did a little bit beautifying of the city. I think it looks much better now. This medical university looks a bit naked. Okay, I see a little bit of a traffic jam here. Come on. Why is this so slow? Why don't they enter at the same time? They're doing opposite directions. Anyway, I'm just gonna leave them alone. Right, so farm. Farming was the thing that I was thinking of starting, but also there's a problem with the railroads. They're still not done. This tunnel is gonna be done eventually. And why is there not enough people working in this neighborhood? What are we purchasing for this anyway? Bricks can go away, steel can go away. I think we're getting that on our own, so I'm not gonna be buying that. Fuel, we're getting it, but yeah, actually you have dedicated. So only electrical components. The rest of it you should be getting from here. So, oh, bricks are empty. Why? Because prefabs are not being used. Why? Because we have... Okay, let's remove a little bit of these, and hopefully the bricks are going to be delivered soon. So let's remove a bit more. Okay, just remove a little bit more prefabs. We're limited everything else. Yeah, but I have a feeling that they're gonna be filled with steel. Okay, these steel runners, I don't think they're doing a good job again. So let's see what vehicles are associated with this one. So we have, I think there should be both these MZ vehicles. Yeah, that's the one. This is the brick runner. This one. So we're gonna do this. Leszcie, you're gonna go and remove this one. You're not going to Leszcie, so open storage, so remove. And you are not going to Javola open storage. So you're only gonna be supplying one of them. So that's okay. Each one of them is gonna be supplying their own. Why am I doing this? Let's see one more time. MZ. It's fine. MZ open. Bricks, we're gonna have to deal with the bricks soon. What are you doing? Bricks as well. So, okay, they're full. I'm assuming that they're gonna be on their way here soon. I don't see any of them coming. I need open hull brick. Haha, town looks amazing. I like it. I love it. And by the way, we can implement even longer lines now. The question mark there, that's the truck that is in front of the store and cannot access it. So why are you complaining? You shouldn't be. He cannot go to the next stop. The next stop is this one because there's a road being constructed here, and that's gonna take a while, but we're fine because clothes are not being used that fast. So, right, mechanical components factory, that's being constructed. Actually, it's not being constructed. Cinema. Is this can I... How many jobs do you get? Okay, there's a lot of roads here. Okay, let him finish. No. Wait. I'm confused. Okay, let's let them start working on these kind of stuff, because they're laying roads now, and I want them to start delivering other stuff as well. So construction has stopped. Okay, it needs to be assigned to construction office. That's gonna happen now. Right, trains. This bridge is almost done, so we can start tapping into this one. Okay. The last thing we need for one of our big projects to continue is this railroad being finished, so the gravel can start rolling in. Okay, this one is already assigned. That's perfect. This one is assigned, so they're on it. Now we're gonna speed this up a bit, and then we're gonna be working on it. So, what are we gonna be working on? Planning. There's an oil field here. Okay, let's do the oil field first, since this is kind of prediction what's gonna happen in the future. There's some oil reserves here, and I'm thinking 3 or 4 pumping stations would be okay. So let's start playing with the idea. So we need pipelines facing, let's say, we can have them all facing the same way. So, and let's squeeze every little bit of oil that we can from this area. Okay, this is much more than I expected, but that's fine, that's perfect. Okay, I don't think we're gonna be squeezing anything out of this other area. So how many we have? We have 8. That's fine. But that's gonna limit our farming from this area. I don't think we're gonna do a lot of farming. All of them can be directly... Obviously, we're gonna have to build several of these pumping stations. How are we gonna do this? Right. Do we connect every one of them to one of these, and then they can be connected to the oil? Because this is gonna be T-junction going left and right. I think we're gonna have to have another T-junction somewhere around here just for this oil thing. So let's see how we can plan this. Since we already laid all the pumping stations, we need, sorry, the oil extraction stations, we need these guys here. So these 3, I think, would be perfect like this. Oh, okay. There we go. So these 3 are gonna be sucked up by this one, and then we have these 3, and then we have these 2. Right. And now they have to be all connected to a storage. Now, unfortunately, storage has only 2 inputs, so we're gonna have to go with another one of these pumping stations, which can be, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and they can be maybe even like this. I'm just hoping that we're gonna be able to build this pipeline. Okay, let's try laying the pipes first. I think the ground level is fine. Probably not, because they all have to be connected to road system anyway. So let's see this as well. So road system, we're gonna Baraharad or... Yeah, Baraharad is probably the best option in this case. Here we go. And now we come to the issue where, okay, I can play with this one, but this is not something I would like to do in the future. Right, now we can do something like so. You're connected to. Right, so this is one pumping station. We have another one here. So we're gonna have... This is a pumping station. These are the pumps, actual pumps. So we can do one... Come on. Well, this one can go... Yeah, I don't really want it to go there. Okay, can go here. This is also gonna warrant us to develop Baraharad, because... because we're gonna need a fire station somewhere around here. Yeah, I don't think that's the worst thing ever. Let's go back to the pipelines. This is gonna go somewhere else, and we have this one going here, and this one going here, and this one going straight to about here, and now we're gonna have to raise it up. Let's go for... Yeah, like I talked about this already, and I really don't like it when people do overkill and do the tallest. The direct, like the tallest level of this, so they have pipelines going like this. This is crazy. This is absolutely nonsense. I mean, like, this is just a theory if you want to play. It's like playing with in the sandbox mode or something like that. It's not realistic. Nobody builds pipelines like that. So I'm not a fan of that. So next one is gonna be here, and then we're gonna have I need to plan for the roads. We only have 2 of them coming in here. So how would this look like? So let's remove, I think I don't need this one like this. Okay, move. We can do it angled like this, because we have one pipeline going here. I think we should play with the roads first, so we have here we go. And this can go here. Perfect. Everything is connected to the road system. Now let's connect it to the pipe system. I still this is the longest one I have, and I'm worried that this is not gonna work. Yeah, too long. So this means straight away that I'm gonna have to remove this one. Come on. Yes, this is gonna have to be closer to here, but still, yeah, I can just build it here. That should be fine. Like so, and then connect this one to... Oh, still too long. Okay. This shouldn't be too long. Oh, perfect. Wow, okay, this is working, and the only thing we have left is this one here, which can go straight and then 2 up. Okay, not too crazy about this one. But okay, I think this is gonna work out. Right, and connected to the road system. Yeah, okay, that's working. So let's see how much would it be for us to pay this. Oh, 365,000 to pay for this pipe system. Of course, we're not gonna do that. We're gonna prepare. We're gonna build it on our own. It's gonna require 306 tons of steel, 209 tons of mechanical components, and yeah, that's gonna be quite rough. We're gonna need a lot of concrete and gravel. Okay, all of that stuff we can start preparing right now. Okay, so how do we do this? The best way to do this. Baraharat can be used now for constructing all this whole project. So we can do this with 1 construction yard, but we're gonna need gravel. We're gonna need concrete. We're gonna need asphalt, I think. Yeah, asphalt, some asphalt. So we're gonna do something like this, only on a smaller scale. This is gonna require a lot of, well, this required a lot of infrastructure. And this here is gonna require much less. So how are we gonna do this? I think I'm not gonna be building a lot of storages. I will just have direct like for example, there's not a lot of asphalt, so I will build the asphalt plant here, but this asphalt plant is gonna be bitumen is gonna be delivered directly. So let's go with this. Let's see if I can save any of this area for farming. Yeah, maybe this side here can be used for farming, because this is gonna be oil extraction and it's gonna be hard to plug the fields in between here. I technically can, yeah, why not? Why not? Let's play with this idea. We're gonna have some nice wheat fields in the middle of oil fields, so it's gonna be so Soviet of us. And but we're gonna have to start with construction. Now I'm thinking, should we use Brospine or should we use Baraharat? Let's move some of the people here and let's start destroying these houses, because this is gonna be required. Let's go with quality straight away. Actually with electricity, because this is gonna be connected to electrical grid as well. So like this, and then something like here. Too steep. It's not too steep, come on. Of course it's not too steep, come on, you can do it. See? Not too steep. Of course it's gonna be constructed by our own companies, and I don't think we need this here. I'm not sure how the electrical grid is gonna be going, but I think this would be enough. So our companies can construct that, and they can already start. Actually, you know what? We don't need that part here first. Wow, trains. Now look at me crazy about trains. Ooh, new vehicle been released on the market, available to purchase using dollars. Oh. Let's check what it is. Let's remove this road here, because this is a bit of more a vanity project rather than necessity. Actually, you know what? I'm thinking of... Let's see. Do we have construction office already assigned to this? No, we don't. Okay, because our construction offices are too busy. Perfect, because I'm gonna remove it. I'm gonna build a mud road, and I'm gonna start assigning vehicles to this as soon as possible. So let's do mud road first, and we're gonna upgrade that mud road at one point. So mud road here, and then we both know you will do it. Okay, it's a little bit too steep now. I can see that as well. Yeah, I think this mud road, even though if it's going to be connected, it doesn't really look that good. This is really steep, especially for bitumen-filled 1960s vehicles. But yeah, I'm not sure if we can do anything about it. Yeah, I could have constructed this bridge to go directly like here, but I think it's too late for that now. Okay, let's play as it is. Right, so we're gonna need gravel, we're gonna need... gravel is on the other side of the city, that's far away. But we have time. Let's do this. We need a concrete plant, we need a bitumen plant, so... Sorry, we need asphalt. So, asphalt plant. We're gonna have bitumen delivered directly to this one, but it's gonna require gravel. Gravel is gonna be a big one, so we're gonna have... I'm gonna have to have a big gravel depot. So I'm thinking something like this, where we're gonna have... Is this gonna be enough? Okay, I'm not sure if this is gonna be the best thing to do. No. I think smaller one is gonna be good enough. So, I'm sinking in progress. So we're gonna have to make a conveyor belt system anyway. So, and that's gonna go 3 ways. So, let's see. I'm gonna slow this down just to follow up on the progress that we're doing, because I want to do this first. So if we go to a belt system, we're gonna have to have truck aggregate unloading. This is gonna be, I never built this one, but I think it's gonna be a good thing to have. Not sure if we need to have anything in between this, but I'm not gonna have at the moment. I'm gonna have angled this guy, and then from here we're gonna have the following: truck aggregate loading or unloading in this case, and then we're gonna have concrete plant. So let's see where we can find a concrete plant. Here, 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 and here we go. And in this case, we're gonna connect all of these. Not good, good, and this is probably gonna be good, yes. And this means that this is not in a good place. Yes. Let's try from here. He likes it, he likes it, he likes it, and doesn't like it. Oh, poo. Okay, so we're gonna have to do something else about this one. This is gonna be tricky. Doesn't like it. What about if I turn it around like a so? But I'm pretty sure that this is not gonna work now. And this kind of works. Okay, so we're gonna have to do this some other way. Luckily we didn't start on any of these constructions, so I'm thinking about this. We're gonna have three-way angle here. So we have access through here, which is not ideal for this location. So let's see. We have we're gonna start from the end and work our way to the beginning. So we have this guy that can accept it on this side. So you can go. Actually, let's go with truck unloading. Truck loading, yes, this one. So you can accept it on this side, and then we're gonna have bitumen or asphalt plant this way, and then we're gonna have to have concrete, but a little bit further like this. There we go. And then in between we're gonna have conveyor belt three-way unloading, so this would be like a so, and this should work. You're kidding me. Okay, that was a mistake. There we go. And now we have, this needs to be connected to aggregate storage. Small is perfectly fine because small has like 450 tons capacity, and I think this is gonna be enough for initial supply. So we're gonna have this, and let's connect the conveyor belt first. And now let's see, can we squeeze in these connections through here? I'm pretty sure we can. Ta-da-da. Maybe I should have left a big arc here, because there we go. Looks smoother. Yeah, this looks like a plan. Yeah, yeah. Social activists. Here we go. This is a tram. How much is this gonna cost? Well, we're gonna have to build this on our own, and I think I'm gonna have to start straight away. So all of this can be constructed. Let's do this. This has to be constructed. 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 Needless to say that this has to be constructed as well. I'm thinking of 2 bitumen guys delivering bitumen here, and I don't know what's the capacity of the concrete plant for storing the... Yeah, I still didn't build it here. Uh, 40 tons of concrete. Okay, that's respectable. What about, do we still try to build this huge oil tanker? Might be unnecessary, but in the future we can asphalt the hell out of this area. Yeah, why not? Okay, let's do this. I'm gonna pay for this. There we go. And then pipeline, I'll pay for that as well. And then I'm not paying for the mud roads. Fire is out, and there we go. We can start doing like the previous, or what I did in the previous time. We're gonna have several different vehicles. Oh. Varstock petrol station is still not receiving fuel. That was a mistake. Let's go for oil tank. Let's go for... Yeah, 2 of them will be enough. So 2 of them, and both of them are going to be transporting bitumen. So if I go to oil refinery, and then all the way to here, load bitumen and wait until loaded, and then unload bitumen. Oh, no. Barahara Dasal plant, no. You actually have to go to the oil storage, yes. And so you can delete this one, unload bitumen, and you can start. And then we can copy your schedule to another vehicle, which is here, and off you go. The problem is we still don't have the power supply here. So let's see if we can do this. This is where this switch comes in handy, because I will make a huge one power transformer, and I'm thinking of plonking it here. This can supply Baraharad and Brospine. There we go, and then power lines from here to here. And in this case, I'm just going to do the small transformer station around here. We will have to build quite a few of them. Let's see what we have here, and we can continue. Okay, let's start on this side. So we're gonna need power supply here. Right, and then we're gonna need, how much power are you giving from here? Not a lot, so we're gonna have to have one more here. So nobody's supplying power to here, so we're gonna have to. So maybe it's better to build it here. From here, you're supplying power to a lot of stuff, but not everything, so we're gonna build another one here. And this one can be finished with cash money. And let's connect this one directly to this power line. There we go. We're connected. Okay, so this is now going to be accepting, well, it has power. Everything has power here. This one requires workers, of course. That's going to come in handy later, because we're going to have to transport workers, but that's for the future. Now we're gonna have to get cement here. Cement, 40 tons is a capacity. We're gonna get a couple of cement trucks, and they're gonna start delivering cement here. So next up, buy cement tank, 88 kilometers per hour, 88. So let's go for 2 of those. Go to cement plant and go to you. I can only tell them to wait to be fully loaded, because it only has one thing in store, so we cannot choose what is gonna be delivered. So both of you can start at the same time. So this is fine, they're gonna go and refuel and all that stuff. Next thing, we're gonna need somebody to bring the gravel to this storage. So we're gonna only store gravel here, and we're gonna have to organize. I'm still gonna put only 2 of the dumper trucks, but I'm gonna try to find the faster ones. So let's. Oh boy! You know what? I think I should start selling these guys because I don't think I'm gonna be using them, and we're not really in the. We don't have issue with money. So what do we have here? 85 kilometers per hour. We need faster ones. We need something over 10 tons and goes 80 kilometers per hour. So is there anything like this? This one has 80, but it's only 4 tons. 60, 60, 70. So we have this one, 87. 7 tons of gravel. What about the second one? 96 tons of gravel. 89 tons of gravel. So we have 80 kilometers per hour and 9 tons of gravel. And we have 87, 7 tons of gravel. So, what in the world am I doing? I'm thinking that this is ZIL 9 tons, 80 kilometers per hour. And this is 7 tons, 87 kilometers per hour. Which one was 90? This one, 6 tons. Okay, let's go with this one. Let's go 3 times this one. That's gonna be much faster delivery, and you're gonna have to go here and go here. I was thinking of putting those unloading things, but I'm kind of hoping that this is gonna work out. So I'm gonna wait until fully loaded, load gravel, and unload, well, obviously gravel. So I'm gonna copy this schedule twice more to 2 more vehicles. And off you go. Which one is you? Okay, you're that one. So all of you can go and be on your merry way. Right, so this is now... Are you on the way? Yes, you are. So this is now settled. Now we have to have... actually, what kind of basic construction materials do they need here? Mechanical components, okay. I'm not sure if we're gonna be having those. Steel, okay, steel is a big one. So we're gonna have to build a small storage, so I'm gonna do that now. Here we go, small, open small storage, there we go. Okay, we're constructing it, perfect. And let's go for, and this is why I'm building this. All the time I have to go to this vehicle depot because we don't have any other. And I'm gonna use only one open hull. And that's gonna be the fast one, this one here, right? Maybe we can we be cheapskates here? No, let's go with this one. So, where are you? Here you is, and go to, only one is gonna be enough. Go to the steel mill, and then go here, load, wait until fully loaded with steel, and then unload steel here. Perfect. Oh, bitumen is already arriving. Actually, bitumen already arrived. Okay, it's not 9, it's 8.7, right? It says here 8.9. Well, at least they're getting there. We're getting there. Right. Whew, that was rough. Okay, so we're continuing on. What is this? This is cement trucks, yes. We need, for these constructions, we're gonna need mechanical components. How is this? Is this gonna start producing mechanical components or not? Well, we still didn't even build a road up to there. So what's the deal with you? You should be on top of this. We have 3 construction sites. We are missing asphalt. Just want to check how is steel production doing. We are missing iron. Iron, no iron here. Iron is slowly being delivered here, but this is a problem. We don't have enough iron. Iron ore is not being delivered. Well, we will have to get that. This is why we are building the project Vavkavisk, so we can have more iron ore and coal delivered here. First things first, we're gonna see at the moment what is the more important, but looks like the iron at the moment is more important. Railroad is almost done. I could have gone with one railroad, but I don't think this slows or speeds up the whole process, because only one vehicle works in each lane, so one or two would be the same. Right, do I organize delivery of the bricks and prefabs at the moment? I don't think we have to do it at the moment, because they only need steel and mechanical components. The mechanical components are gonna have to be brought from the warehouse or bought in a warehouse. So I'm gonna go and build a warehouse here. Okay. Yeah, since we're paying already, we can pay a little bit more. Okay, so this is gonna be warehouse, and now we're gonna have to build construction office. So let's build construction office. Perfect. Let's order some parts here, and that would be mechanical components and electrical components, just for the future reference. It's gonna be related to that, and here we go. Let's start assigning. You go here, you go here. We have gravel, asphalt, bitumen, and now we need decision. Do we go for Baraharad? Yes, I think we're gonna go with Baraharad. So we're gonna build a small bus terminal, bus stop or bus platform. Let's go with small bus platform. Small bus platform in Baraharad. Yes. And then we're gonna have to connect this with road. Let's do gravel road. Oh boy. This is when you're greedy for space, what happens. There we go. And then let's demolish this building. Come on, move. Okay, looks like this is quite... This road is in a quite bad state, so let's rebuild this part. And then we can connect it a little bit better. Right, and they can use this. And I think I'm gonna be nice to our people here, and we're gonna start connecting them like this. So, there we go. You have people supply now. I think we can start producing, start working on this straight away. So, let's do this. You gonna get... Wow. I clicked on American vehicles, and yeah, this is the bus. That looks nice, but no. Let's go with standard. This one, covered hull, we're gonna go with... Yeah, let's go with the faster ones. We're gonna have 2 dumper trucks. Open hull. Fast ones. Yeah, why not? Bulldozer, 1. Road crane, 1. Excavator. This one is still the best one. So, concrete mixer. Oh, we have another one. 9 tons, 12 tons. Okay. This one is definitely not worth it. 12 tons, and this one is 9 as well. They're a bit faster, but capacity. I think I like capacity more. Paver, roller, and tower crane. There you go. You have everything. Source of gravel is empty. Yes, of course. They're bringing it. Look at it. Well, it's gonna take a long time for this to work properly, but... Oh, petrol station. Petrol station. Yeah, it's gonna get fuel on its own, that's fine. I will still organize fuel delivery to this petrol station. Yeah, we're gonna require a lot of it. So we're gonna get... What are you supposed to be delivering? Oh yeah, steel. Go and get steel. Oil. And we're gonna go for a fast one, right? 80... Yeah, that's fine. So let's have you go to the refinery and load up on fuel, wait until fully loaded, and then go and deliver fuel to this area. Now these people are gonna get sad fast, so how many people are there? So I would say, oh, 10 of them in this building. I was thinking of reconstructing this village, well, at least, you know, a little bit straight away, like maybe in this area here. So give them one building, so maybe something on the... Well, actually, you know what we can do? Let's try to make this a project. So those small and nice buildings, how much they cost? 8,000 each. 12 people can live in there. So what if we build quite few of those? Yeah, this is gonna wreak havoc on our roads. It's gonna be every few meters, this stuff. Maybe. Let's do it. Let's do it. So this is mainly our construction supply for construction office. So let's do. Hopefully you're empty. Yes, you are. So let's transfer all these people here. That's fine, and all these people here, so we can destroy your homes. I do apologize, but your homes were in the way of progress, and we can't have that. So we're gonna go in with the gravel road, at least somewhat straight. And let's build a few more of those buildings. And this is 50-ish people, 48 if I'm correct. And let's start moving all these people. So you go here. I'm pretty sure that these are much better than the houses you have. Quality of flats that you live, 82%. Quality of these are over 90%, so... Oh, they're filling up fast. These 10 people, I doubt it that they're gonna be transferred here, so let's demolish this, demolish this. Okay, this is a bit better, and let's try to build it on the other side as well. So let's start on this side, few of the buildings. No, it's this one. One, two, three, and let's start moving these people from here. Okay. All of these buildings are full. I'm pretty sure you're gonna fill these up as well. So we have quite few people here, that's nice. So far from Baraharat being a desolate place. So let's remove some of these buildings. Okay. Baraharad, I'm not really sure, but sounds like maybe Hungarian. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think it's a little sounds a little bit Hungarian. If any of you guys know, leave a comment in the comment section. Right, okay, so these people should have jobs because they should be transported with a bus to a specific work area. So how many rigs do we have? 1 rig, 2 rig, a lot of pipelines. Yes, and I'm pretty sure that a lot of stuff that you want to deliver to don't have the... Okay, mechanical components is fine. Yeah, okay. So they're delivering all of this. Do we have gravel? Yeah, we have some gravel, but I don't think this is gonna... Okay, let's do this. Let's just speed this up a bit. People don't have jobs, that's a problem, but this is an easy difficulty, so it shouldn't be too problematic for us. So let's start upgrading some of the stuff they have here. So this access should be better quality, and then let's build gravel roads. Okay, that's perfect. And access, of course, to the church. Perfect. Right, these buildings are... they're just an average buildings. I don't think they're anything specific, special. They're still gonna need electricity, they're still gonna need a lot of stuff, so let's start giving them that. Let's go with electricity first. So if we go here... okay, I think I'm fine with this one. Okay, this looks like a better situation, and now we're gonna have to have... how are we gonna deliver stuff here? Shop, for example. If I build a shop, small store, we're gonna go with... yeah, stores can be plonked here. Maybe I should go with 2 separate things this time, like a separate shop and separate convenience store, or whatever the second one is. Yeah, let's do that. Just because we can. Grocery stores is the right term. So if we build it on this side, yeah, and then we're gonna go and build pedestrian ways, passages, so you can conveniently access this or not. Seriously. There we go. Okay, so there's some workers now working. I'm gonna lower this to, let's say, 8, and then here we have 15. Let's go down to 8 as well. So this is what? This is electronics and clothes. You don't really use that many of them. We have a lot of people in here, but we're still gonna need something else. We're gonna need school, education related. Okay. So if I end this road here, or do something like this, so kindergarten. There we go. School. That's perfect. And what do we need? We need a direct line to Leszcie, but we need a few more things. Cinema. Yeah, I can provide for cinema for you guys. That's not a problem. This is outside of the power range, so do it like... Yeah, this is gonna be... Yeah, this is gonna be okay. And what else? You need just a playground. Or sports ground. Or something. Something or other. So we can put this around here, and I need to connect it a little bit better to the rest of the neighborhood. Dun, 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 dun. There we go. I'm pretty sure that most of the buildings are not connected. Well, some of them are not. I don't care. Shops are here. Pub. They probably gonna need pub, but let's leave it here. One more thing, I want to implement this bus line. I don't think it's gonna require. Well, you know what? Just to be on the safe side, we're gonna go for a fastest bus we have, and maybe even two of them. So let's go for speed. So this is Bulgarian bus. I like Bulgarian buses. 85 kilometers. Skoda, and this is smaller. Soviet Union Skoda, 65, 90. These are microbuses, they are too small. And all of these are microbuses. So we had Bulgarian one is 80, and this is 85. I can't believe that this Skoda, 1950 Skoda, is still the best transport we have. Maybe, yeah, let's go for something. Let's go for, so this looks like a school bus, and the plan is to, oh no, sorry. The plan is to go for most of the transport is going to be students. So let's go here, and then college. Yeah, you can go on this one. And off you go. Start transporting people. And you do the same, but you gonna skip this one. You're gonna go to the other one first. So go to Leszcie bus platform, and then go to Baraharad. Right, there we go. We created a functional community in Baraharad. What do you think? I'm not sure that they're gonna need anything. Jobs, well, jobs are technically... They are needed, they're gonna need jobs, and kindergartens are doing fine. This doesn't need 5 people, 3 is okay. Kindergartens, maybe 5 for now. School, maybe 5 for now. Yes. Well, I can do a lot more here, but I don't want to waste time. They have everything basically that they need. I'm not supplying anything here like to the shops yet. Maybe I will in the future, but for now I'm just gonna leave it as it is. Now this is gonna be supplying our workers for constructing the oil fields here. Well, I'm hoping. Right, so they need to start bringing gravel, and there's not enough gravel here, so we're gonna need a lot of gravel. How much gravel do we need? 3 tons of gravel for final construction of this. 6 tons of gravel. What's with steel? Are we getting steel here? No, not yet. Why not? Okay, gravel is coming, but I am not getting steel here. I hope the first deliveries of steel are gonna be here already. Let's see, related vehicles. Okay, he's standing somewhere. He's standing here. Okay, why are you standing here? And why don't you have steel on you? So there's no iron. Iron is going slowly. Yeah, I can't really do anything about that. And probably our train is sucking all the steel. Maybe I can... Maybe you can go and export this first. And that's gonna give us chance for this this guy to be filled with steel. Well, as soon as we get any iron here. So let's speed this up. Here we go. There we go, he's filling with steel. Well, that gives him at least some chance, fighting chance to get some of the... And since we have iron production problem, I'm gonna cut the people here. Right, so we have established everything that we need for this community to function nicely, but these buses are really right next to each other. I'm not really sure that Okay. They're taking workers away. Okay, that's sad. Well, currently they're not needed here, so I'm pretty sure that... Well, let it be. Let it be. At least something. Hopefully they're gonna be happy. Pub tavern. Yes, we can do that as well. Pub. If I was a pub, where would I be? There we go. Perfect. Ha! There we go. We already have visitors and workers. I don't think we're gonna need so many workers. 2 of them is fine. Right. Okay, so what's the deal with these guys? So we have... we need gravel. 30 tons. Yeah, you know what? Let's give him a chance. So let's start producing all of those. Okay, so we have 30 tons here, only 8 tons here. Yeah, of course, not enough gravel. So we're gonna have to fill gravel here. That's 80 tons. Yeah, probably we should have waited a bit longer. Currently there's no gravel. Oh, those buses are fast. Any workers coming back? No. Okay, they're taking everybody. Yes, that's cool, because all of those people are gonna, well, hopefully come back. Well, yeah, when jobs come here, and they will soon. We're gonna have farming area here, maybe even production of meat. We'll work on that, but we'll see how that's gonna work out. Anyway, think we're gonna have to slowly end this one. Yeah. Let's see what. So gravel, asphalt, concrete. Okay, so concrete is a thing as well, so they should be able to start using concrete soon. There we go. Ha! It's working out. So this is gonna need a lot of steel. Let's see. I think this is getting all the steel. Yeah. Okay, so we have 2 cement runners bringing cement here, and I don't think this is necessary anymore. I was thinking maybe of pausing it. Look at this beautiful symphony. Well, song and setup here. Baraharad is doing well. We should have a stable influx of workers if we need them for our own projects, and here we go. 27 workers to road 1136. Is that this one maybe? Yes. Yeah, but we'll need steel. That's the problem. Yeah, and probably the train is back in the station, so... Go there. Finally we can get a little bit of steel for ourselves. Maybe I should have paused that train, because this is not good for our domestic production. Lack of iron. How can we speed this up? I don't think we can. Do we have enough workers here? Yeah, I think we do. Yeah, this is just how the cookie crumbles. This is how we're getting this. This is the speed we can get it at, and so this is not bottleneck, because 60 people here are producing just... Are they? Yeah, look. It goes up and up, so 70 people is even more than necessary. So this is how fast we're going to be getting iron ore. Now we can build a conveyor belt line all the way down. That definitely will speed the things up, but it's gonna cost a lot of money. I'm not really sure I want to do that because the quality of iron there is not really that high, and we would lose the only cargo cable cars that we have. So let's continue as it is right now. I might do something about... Yeah, we'll see what we can do with the additional supply of iron, how that's gonna work out. Anyway, it's already over an hour, so we're gonna have to end it here, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, press the like button. If you didn't, leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Oh yeah, look at this guy here. We need to finish constructing this road. Okay, we already have people working on it. Anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one. Like, subscribe, notification bell. See you in the next one. Bye bye.